Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure Windows is updated and GPU drivers are the newest release. This fixes many Directx mismatches. Next, install the Directx end-user runtime and Visual C++ redistributables because missing DLLs often trigger the error. Once done, disable overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience and perform a clean boot to remove background conflicts. This isolates software, causing DirectX initialization failures. Also confirm at least 10-15%. You should now repair the game files via the launcher. Corrupted or missing assets can break DirectX links. Then force the game to use your dedicated GPU in Windows graphics settings because integrated cards may not support required DirectX features. Make sure your power plan is set to high performance and that GPU drivers have low latency mode off if unstable. Clear the shader cache and reset in-game graphics to low so the engine recompiles shaders, which often remedies DirectX initialization errors. You finish by repairing system components. Run sfc/scano and reinstall DirectX redistributables to restore corrupt system DLLs that DirectX needs. Then run the game as administrator and try compatibility mode for Windows 10 if you use Windows 11. These steps resolve permission and compatibility issues that block DirectX initialization. If the error persists, collect game logs, test under a fresh OS user profile, and reinstall the game. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, roll back GPU driver 1 version, since newest drivers sometimes introduce regression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.